Have you ever felt like throwing your computer out the window because it's just so slow? Imagine you're trying to open a file or browse the web, but instead of getting things done, you're left staring at that spinning wheel of doom. Frustrating, right? But before you reach for the hammer, hold on. In this video, we're going to uncover the real reasons why your computer is crawling at a snail's pace and, most importantly, how you can fix it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's slowing down your PC and how to get it back up to speed. So stick around, you don't want to miss these game-changing tips. If you're excited to finally speed up your computer, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. 1. Too many startup programs. When you start your computer, does it take forever to boot up? One major culprit is having too many programs launching at startup. These programs compete for your computer's resources, leaving you with a sluggish system right from the get-go. Solution. For Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and disable unnecessary programs. If you're using Mac, open System Preferences, click on Users and Groups, and then Login Items. Remove any unnecessary apps. Tip: be cautious when disabling startup programs. Make sure you're not turning off something crucial for your system. If this tip helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends who might be facing the same issue. 2. Outdated software and drivers. Running outdated software or drivers can cause compatibility issues and slow down your computer. Think of it like trying to run the latest apps on a 10-year-old phone. It just doesn't work smoothly. Solution. For Windows, use Windows Update to keep your system up to date. Also, visit the manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers for your hardware. For Mac, go to the Apple menu, System Preferences, Software Update, and install any available updates. Tip: keeping your software updated not only speeds up your computer, but also protects it from security vulnerabilities. Found this info useful? Drop a comment below if you've ever had an issue with outdated software and how you fixed it. 3. Lack of storage space. When your hard drive is nearly full, your computer doesn't have enough room to work efficiently. This can significantly slow down performance, especially when running large applications. Solution. For Windows, open File Explorer, right-click on your drive, select Properties, and click Disk Cleanup. You can also use third-party tools like CCleaner for a more thorough cleanup. For Mac, go to About This Mac Storage Manage and remove unneeded files. Consider moving large files to an external drive or cloud storage. Tip: regularly clean out your downloads, temporary files, and unused applications to free up space. If you've ever had your computer slow down because of a full disk, let us know how you managed to free up space in the comments below. 4. Malware and viruses. Malware and viruses can wreak havoc on your system, consuming resources and slowing down your computer to a crawl. In some cases, they can even cause your system to crash. Solution. For either Windows or Mac, install a reputable antivirus program and run a full system scan. Remove any detected threats immediately. Additional tip: use malware removal tools like Malwarebytes for an extra layer of protection. Tip: keep your antivirus updated and avoid downloading files from untrusted sources. Is your computer running faster after removing malware? Share your experience in the comments. 5. Fragmented hard drive, HDD. Over time, files on your hard drive can become fragmented, meaning pieces of data are scattered across the drive. This makes your computer work harder to access files, slowing down performance. Solution. If you're using Windows, use the built-in Defragment and Optimize Drives tool. Open the Start menu, search for Defragment, and follow the prompts. For Mac users, Macs automatically defragment files, but if you're experiencing issues, consider upgrading to an SSD, which doesn't suffer from fragmentation. Tip: schedule regular defragmentation sessions if you're using a traditional hard drive. If your computer sped up after defragmenting your drive, hit that subscribe button for more tips like this. 6. Too many background processes. Background processes, like system updates or hidden programs, can secretly consume your computer's resources, slowing down everything else. Solution: on Windows, open Task Manager, Control+Shift+Escape. Go to the Processes tab and identify resource hogging tasks and tasks that aren't essential. On Mac machine, use Activity Monitor, found in Applications Utilities, to monitor and end background processes. Tip: disable unnecessary background apps to keep your computer running smoothly. Did this tip help improve your computer's speed? Give this video a thumbs up and share it with others. Your computer doesn't have to be slow. By following these steps, you can pinpoint the issues that are dragging down your system and get it running like new again. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your computer performing at its best. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, and share this video with anyone who could use a faster computer. Also, drop a comment below if you have any other tips to speed up a sluggish computer. We'd love to hear from you.